I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I had ordered probably a few weeks ago, and I got them in last week. I just haven't had the time to sit down and actually do a video on them. So I just wanted to show you my haul from Benefit Cosmetics. So I absolutely love their Cheer Star or Cheek Stars and their cheek leaders. I guess like the blushes and the hula and all that, I really like those. So I decided to go on and see what else Benefit had. So I did order a few things from Benefit. I got them in a couple of days ago. And so the first thing I'm going to show you is actually a blush, which is called Rocketeer. It's super cute little packaging. I love their packaging. It is so cute. And then when you open it up, it does come with a brush. It does have a mini mirror in there. And this is what this looks like. So it's got kind of like a glimmer to it, a little shadow, but I love the blush color. It is so pretty. I haven't used it yet, but I know you guys can't really see that right here, but it's a very light color blush. You could probably use it as like a highlighter or something, but I really like it because it just gives you a subtle flush of color. So I absolutely love this one. The next one that I got was Havana, which is also a blush. And I actually, I really like the packaging on this, but the reason why I bought this is because, again, packaging super cute, very beautiful, but the inside of it. So it does come with the brush as well. But look at those colors. It's a spiral of colors and I absolutely loved it. I fell in love with it just on there and I was just like, oh my gosh. Mixing these together gives you like a really light pink color, but it's just a flush of color. You can't really see it on my skin. I've gotten kind of dark the last couple of days because I've been working outside with the animals and stuff. So, but I absolutely love this and I can't wait to use it. I'm probably gonna use this, yeah. So absolutely love this. The next thing that I got was a highlighter, and this is the Dandelion Twinkle. Again, super cute packaging. It's just very like rose gold. Again, they all come with a little brush for you, so they're great for travel. And then look at that. It's just so pretty. And I love Benefit because it smells so clean. Let me do a clean finger. Let me see if I can get like a... So really, really pretty. Let me see if I can. Just very pretty, subtle highlight. You know, nothing too crazy, but I think it's really just beautiful. You can kind of see that shimmer on there. I just put it all over there. It's just so pretty. Absolutely love this one. So these are the ones that I got. I don't know why I'm still in the box, but I love the way they smell. They smell so clean and fresh. I don't know, it's just something that just, I just love that. The next thing that I got was the Brow Contour Pro pen or pencil, I guess. So it's 4-in-1 contour pencil, instantly gives you clean shaped brows with definition and dimension. So it kind of tells you how to use them in the back. I've never tried this one before. I've tried some of their other brow products that I did like, but I wanted to try something a little different. So as you can tell, I haven't even opened this yet. But this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of those pens that we had when we were kids that had like the blue, green, yellow, and red on there. But I really like it. I'm probably going to give this a try later. I'm so used to using the It Cosmetics 5-in-1 brow perfector that I love that one. That one does my brows really well. I have no makeup on right now, guys, because I go in and out and I work with the animals and I come in. There's no point in getting dressed up when you work on a farm because it's just gonna sweat it off. So yeah, so that was what I got. They also sent me samples of the Professional, and then I also got a sample on the Bright, what is this? The Potent Eye Cream. So really cute. So I'm gonna try these out. They're samples, so I really appreciate that. The next thing I got, I haven't even, but this is what I'm most excited about, guys. So I got this package like a week ago and it's just been sitting at my desk. But I ordered some bling brushes because I absolutely love the ones that I have now. I have the rose gold right now, and I ordered this silver. So it comes, so cute. It comes in this lovely packaging, and they even send you a personalized note. It's so cute. It says, hello gorgeous, thank you so much for ordering from Bling Brushes. We hope your new handcrafted makeup brushes brighten your day. If they do, please leave us a review. Thank you for all of your support and for helping our small business grow. Courtney and the BB team. So I think it's so cute because they always put a personalized note in here. And I think it's super sweet that they do that. And it comes in this really pretty little bag. And I did get this silver set this time. I have the rose gold set, which I absolutely love, but I've really been wanting this silver set. So I'm gonna open these and let you guys see them. And how pretty they are. They're very well packaged, bubble wrap, and then they're also in the packages. But look at this. They're so beautiful. I was gonna get the Starry Nights, which is the black one, but I really wanted the silver one. So this is what they look like. This is the F1. Look at that bling, guys. It is so beautiful. And these brushes are so soft. I love the way they feel on my face. I love the way they work with my makeup. I mean, I don't have any complaints about their brushes. I absolutely love them. They are amazing. So if you guys ever get a chance, go to blingblushes.com. Look at what they've got. There are different codes out there. I don't have a code personally for myself that I can give you guys, but I do. If you look at some of the other YouTubers, if you look at Miss Paige Koren, she has a code. Allie Dawson has a code as well. And I think you get like 10% off of your order. So they're absolutely worth it. And they're not like super heavy, but they're enough that you can just kind of use them for whatever you need. So this is the F1. They've got all different types of brushes in here. This is an F3. You can use them. You can use brushes however you like to use them. This is the F3. It's kind of more of an oval shape. You can use this for maybe under your eye. But yeah, it doesn't really tell you because brushes can be used for multiple uses. You do have an angled brush here, so you can use this for blush or contour. Again, just so beautiful. Let's see what else I got. This is the F5. So all of these are face brushes. The Fs are meant for face. So this is the F5, and then I think I also have, nope, the rest of them, oh, right here. There's one more. This is the F2. So the F5 I like to use like for blush or even contour. This one you can use for foundation. It's a little bit stiffer, so you can use this for foundation or like maybe your concealer underneath your eye, on your nose. You can use it for contour if you really want like a sharp line maybe, like on your nose. It would be a good idea. But this is a little bit sharper and I love these brushes. They're super soft, but this one is a little bit stiffer, so you can use it for foundation too. Just kind of go around there with your foundation. But these are the face brushes. So there's 5 face brushes. And again, super pretty. I mean, look at that shine. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then they also have the eye brushes. Ooh. So these are all their eye brushes. So this is a very, let me take out, let me see. Let's try this one. This is like a blender brush almost. But this is the this is the E3. Sorry, my nose is itchy. This is the E3, so like a good, right in the crease brush. I really like using these for the crease. Now I have other brushes. I do have JSC brushes, and I also have brushes from Jaclyn Hill. The Jaclyn Hill brushes, Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes. I really like those too, but I have loved the eye brushes, like all of these brushes. I really love using these for my eyeshadow because they are so precise and so good. This is the E1. So this can be used like, I guess, I'm sorry, this is the L1. So this is actually for your lips. So if you do lip liner, but I like to use this brush also for like the inner corner to do like a little bit of highlight in that inner corner. So L is obviously for lips, E is for eyes, and F is for face. So they make it pretty easy. The E6, again, you can use this as a liner for your liner. And we looked at this one, which is the E3. There's another one, it's an E5. And again, they're very, very good brushes. I really, really like them. They place your product where you want them, and it's just amazing. So if you guys get a chance, check out their website. I'll have all the information in the description below, so you'll be able to check their link out. Like I said, I don't have a discount code, but if you look at some of the other YouTubers that are out there, you can probably get a discount code for 10% off, because I do not have a code for them. But I think also if you sign up for the first time on their website, you also get a coupon for 10% off. So I think that's how I did it the first time that I bought these brushes. I signed up with my email to get notifications and stuff, and I think I got 10% off that way. And then the next set of brushes, I used somebody's code to get the 10% off. So there are other YouTubers out there, like I mentioned. There's Ellie Dawson, there's Paige Koren. There's several other YouTubers out there that have this, but I'll put their links below as well, so that way you guys can check out their channel as well. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay safe and have a great rest of your week. Bye!